good morning students. I hope you all are good. So today we are going to start a new chapter in your GK book, chapter number 42, and basically the chapter name is matter and energy. Okay, so here an exercise is given. You have to complete the exercise. In this exercise we will continue the matter and energy. And the first question is, air is made of matter as it take up space and you can dash it. So here some clues are given: feel, store and weigh. So the answer is the third one, weight. Okay. The next one is, dash do not have a fixed volume. Then the answer is gases. Gases do not have a fixed volume. थर्ड वन इज़ अ वेपर ऑफ अ थिंग इज़ इट्स डैश फॉर्म्स. वेपर्स जो हैं किस फॉर्म में होते हैं? दीज आर इन दी गैसियस फॉर्म्स. ओके. व्हेन अ गैस कंडेंस इट्स बिकम्स अ डैश. जब गैस कंडेंस हो जाती है तो कौन सी फेज़ होती है? वो हमारी लिक्विड फेज़ हो जाती है उसके बाद. नेक्स्ट इज़ मैटर इन इट्स डैश फॉर्म इज़ द हार्डेस्ट टू कंप्रेस, स्क्वीज़. So the answer is liquid. Matter in its liquid form is the hardest to compress. Next one is, electricity and heat are forms of dash. So the answer is energy. Electricity and heat are the forms of energy. Next one is, the energy we need to work and play comes from food. Okay. And the next one is, a solar cooker uses the energy from the dash. Solar cooker जो होता है तो सोलर एनर्जी हमें सन से मिलती है. तो आंसर इज सन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, बैटरीज गिव्स अस डैश एनर्जी. तो बैटरीज से हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी मिलती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज, द एनर्जी इन द फूड वी ईट कम्स फ्रॉम द सन. ओके. दिस इज कंप्लीटेड. दिस एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड. कम टू द नेक्स्ट, टिक इफ ट्रू. यहाँ पे आपको टिक करना है इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके. First one is, only fuels like petrol and diesels can be used to run cars. This statement is wrong. Come to the second one. When something condenses, it changes from a gas to a liquid. Yes, condensation में gas जो होती है liquid form में convert हो जाती है. This statement is true. Come to the third one. Solar cells changes the energy of the sun to electricity. This statement is also true. And the fourth one is, cooking gas LPG cylinders have the fuel in the liquid form. Yes, cylinders में जो liquid form में ही होती है गैस. ठीक है, इसलिए this statement is also true. Come to the fifth one. You need energy to heat water but not to cool it in a fridge. This statement is also incorrect. Come to the page number 59, 43 chapter. What does it measures? So यहाँ पे कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दे रखे हैं, उसे आपको बताना है. दीज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर यूज टू मेजर वॉट. लाइक इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, इन this one is used to measure the length. In the next picture, this one is used to measure the speed. In the third picture, this is a thermometer and this is used to measure the body temperature. In the fourth one is small spoons, scoops. These are called the scoops, and this is used to measure the volume of spices, oil, etc. In the fifth one is the instrument is used. This instrument is used to measure the room temperature. In the sixth one, this instrument is used to measure the weight. And in the seventh picture, this instrument is used to measure the fuel in a vehicle tanks. And in the eighth instrument, this instrument is used to measure the blood sugar level. And the ninth one, in the ninth picture, this instrument is used to measure the distance you have traveled. Okay. Now come to the page number 60. Chapter number 44, bits and bytes. Bits and bytes are the language of the computers. Okay, so these are in like kilobytes, in megabytes, in gigabytes. ठीक है, इनकी अलग अलग values होती हैं. So an exercise is given here. First one is, the smallest unit of information used by computer. तो smallest unit of information which is used by computer is bit, B-I-T, bit. Next one is how many bits are there in a 2 bytes. 2 bytes में कितने bits होते हैं? There are 16 bits in a 2 bytes. ठीक है. Next one is you need codes for yes and no. The minimum number of bits needed is 1. Next one is my hard disk stores 4 TB of data, and here TB stands for terabyte. Okay. Next one is which of these can store the most pictures of size 1 MB. In the first, this is a chip and this memory card is of 2 GBs. In the sixth one, which store the least data? सबसे कम data किस में store हो सकता है? In a floppy disk. In the first picture. Come to the next page, page number 61. Question number 7 is which came first? Which is the oldest? सबसे पहले कौन सा instrument means कौन सी इसमें से picture देखिए आप बताएंगे कौन सा आया है. तो second answer is correct, CD, compact disc. Okay. Come to the 8th one. A disk has 2000 KB of data. This means it has 2 MB of data. If एक disk में 2000 kilobytes data है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ उसके अंदर 2 MB data है. ठीक है. So answer is 2. Next one is you have songs on 5 CDs. आपके पास CDs हैं 5, उसके अंदर songs हैं. And each CD contains 700 MB of songs. तो एक CD में 700 MB के songs हैं. And how many DVDs with the 4 GB free space will you need for the songs? तो आपको एक बतानी है DVD में अगर 4 GB डेटा है तो आप एक DVD में उसको कर सकते हैं या नहीं. तो इतना DVD में स्टोरेज होता है कि जितना 5 CDs में आपका स्टोरेज है वो सब एक ही DVD में आ जाएगा. So answer is 1. The next one is 3 bits makes 8 codes. यहाँ पे 8 codes दे रखे हैं जो कि 3 bits से बने हैं. How many codes can 2 bits make? तो 2 bits से कितने बन सकते हैं? 4. Okay. Now come to the exercise number 2. Unscramble the clue and write the name of the programs. तो यहाँ पे कुछ प्रोग्राम्स दे रखे हैं, उसके आपको अनस्क्रैम्बल स्पेलिंग्स हैं, उसको आपको ठीक करके लिखनी है. सो फर्स्ट स्पेलिंग इज़ गूगल, GOOGLE. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ पिनबॉल, PINBALL. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आउटलुक, OUTLOOK, look. Next one is Mario, MARIO, Mario. And the fifth one is Hangman, HANGMAN, Hangman. F1 is Facebook, FACEBOOK, book, Facebook. The next one is Gmail, GMAIL, Gmail. And in the H one is Word, WORD, Word. ठीक है. Come to the exercise number 3. Name the programs. Here some programs are given. You have to identify the program and you have to name that programs also. Okay. In the first program, this program is of Pac-Man, PACMAN. Slash लगाएंगे, dash PAC के बाद dash MAN, Pac-Man. The next one is Tetris, TETRIS, Tetris. Third one is the WordPad, WORDPAD, pad, WordPad. And in the fourth one is an Excel. Okay, Excel, EXCEL, Excel. Okay, come to the page number 62. This is the chapter number 45. Plugs and sockets. Here some plugs and sockets are given. You have to match the correct option. In the first picture, this is the 3 plug. And the answer is D1, socket D. In second picture, this is the pin plug. The answer is B. ठीक है. And the third one is USB plug. This answer is A. And in the fourth, this is also a USB plug. Fourth one, answer is E. And the fifth one, this is also a pin plug, and the answer is the F1. And in the sixth one, it's also a pin plug which is used in the third picture. See in the third picture, C1. The answer is C. Okay. And come to the page number 63, reading signs. Here some signs are given. You have to tell the correct sign which is used for. In the first sign, the first sign is of escalator. The second sign is for handicapped people, and the third sign is for cycles not allowed. Fourth sign is for railway crossing ahead. Fifth sign is danger of electric shock. Sixth sign is do not touch. Seventh sign is this side up. Eighth sign is explosive, which means danger. And the ninth one is handle with care. And in the 10th one, this is a sign for keep dry. In the 11th one, this sign is for can be reused. And in the 12th one, this sign is used for do not put in the bin. Okay, so these exercises you have to fill it in your books. Okay, goodbye students.